welcome back to Baby Aishwarya Lakshmi channel. Today's topic is simple and easy table tricks. 12 table trick, 13 table trick and 18 table trick with easy tips. Please watch till end. If you like my tricks, like, share and comment and please subscribe to our channel. First 12 table trick. Table trick. First we should write 1 table and 2 table. Now 2 table. Now we should write 12 table. Into table 2, 12, 2, 4, 24, table 3, 6, 36, 4, 8, 48. From here we should add 5 plus 1, 6, here 0 as it is, 6 plus 1, 7, here 2 as it is, 7 plus 1, 8, 4 as it is, 8 plus 1, 9, here 6 as it is, 9 plus 1, 10, 8, 10 plus 2, 12, here 0 as it is. This is 12 table trick. Now I am writing 13 table trick. First we should write 3 tables. Write 30 table. We should write last digits of 3 table. Should add 1 plus 0. 1 plus 0 is equals to 1. We should write here 1. 2 plus 0, 2. Write here 2. 3 plus 0, 3. Write here 3. 4 plus 1, 5 as it is 5. 5 plus 1. Should write here 6. 6 plus 1, 7. Write 7. 7 plus 2, 9. Write 9. 8 plus 2 is equals to 10. Write here 10. 9 plus 2, 11. Write 11. 10 plus 3, 13. Write here 13. This is 13 table trick. Now I am explaining 18 table trick. First we should write 18 table. Write odd numbers and even numbers. First odd numbers we should write till 5. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Now even numbers start from down. 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. Now we should take in odd number 1, in even number 8. Here we should write 18. 5, 4, 4, 7, 2, 72 and 0, 90. Now we wrote here odd numbers, here even numbers. Now from 6 we should write here even numbers, here also even numbers. Even numbers. Here also even numbers. So where till we stop? Till 8. Now after 8, what is next even number? 10. Now continue from here. Now even numbers. Write from down, from first. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Now we should take in even numbers 10, in here even number. So 8. 1 odd 8. 12, 6. 126, 44. 144, 62, 162, 18, 0, 190. This is 18 table trick. Friends, hope you like my tricks. You should also try my tricks in your home. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye. See you in our next video.